All right, that was Fireworks by Katy Perry. All right, looks like I'm having some technical difficulties again. I don't like that. But anyways, I make these videos so you won't be
asking all them questions.
Asking all them questions. All right. That's for you, to Kendra, Kadaria, and all the other folks who sing this song every day. All right, number one, it's simple. It's the type of thing that y'all like. All you got to do is plot and see which one. All of these points have to be on the line. So you'll go to -3, 3.3.5. Plot it. The way you show your work is just to plot them. That's it. There's not much more for me to explain on that one. Here, guess what? You need a formula chart. And then you have to know what shape this is. Just because it's upside down doesn't mean it goes from a pyramid to a prism. It's just upside down. Imagine it right side up. All right, so anyways, you go to your formula chart. First, you have to determine what this is. What is the base in the shape of? Not a square, guys. That's 5 inches and that's 6. So it's not a square. It's a rectangular. Pyramid or prism? Hurry up. Okay, it's a pyramid. And some of y'all are like, I don't know. How did you know that? The way I knew that is because all these triangles go into a point. They all go to a point. There's triangle, 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 triangle. Prisms have 2 bases. 2 bases. A rectangular prism would be a box. All right, but anyways. So what you do is go to your formula chart. If you don't have your formula chart, guess what? You tuned into the right channel. You are trying to find the volume. V equals 1/3 big B H. All right, so let's see. Where was I? I just got a phone call. Anyway, so we got big B times. What did I tell you? Big B is not a real. You can't look at this and be like, oh, it's 6. Oh, it's 5. Oh, it's 10. 10 doesn't even make sense. But anyways, you have to find the area of the base. It's a rectangle. What's the area of the base? 5 times 6 is 30. What's the height? You get it? And then you're going to either multiply by 1/3 or you can just divide by 3. Then you will get your answer very, very easy. Don't be scared because it's a shape. Next. Oh, wow. This one, you can set this up as a proportion if you want to. It's going to be waffles to like total ingredients. So what you would do is you have 12 waffles. I'm not going to add these for you. You're a big boy and a big girl. You can add them. You could turn them into a decimal, or you could just turn them into decimals. I think I said that already, actually. You get your total ingredients. You'll put it down here. Actually, let me go ahead and erase all this right here. These are your labels. Label, label, label. There's your total ingredients. All right, so you'll figure that out. And then you need to make 36 waffles. So you're going to figure out what are the total ingredients. T.I. All right. And then once you get your answer, guess what you can do? You can rock out to this. Okay, I don't know the name of that song, but it's called America Idiots. I don't know, Americans Idiots, who cares? Next. All right, next is this one. This is y'all's favorite, because y'all, most of y'all get this right. Keyword, 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 without replacing means you don't put it back. You don't put it back. So that means your denominator is going to be 1 less than it was before. What do you want over your total? What do you want over your total. Remember, total minus 1. This is very easy. And remember, simplify before you multiply. Okay, in this case, yeah, simplify before you multiply. And then your answer, you'll simplify that if it's not in the simplest form. This one is fairly simple. Don't just stop at A. And when it comes to time, think logically. If something is done in 31 minutes and something's done at 34, which one is slower? Don't think, oh, because the number is higher that it's faster. No. If I complete my homework in 31 minutes and you complete your homework in 34 minutes, that's not even 34. That's 32 and a half. Whatever. Who is faster, you or me? Me. All right, anyways, y'all just read through these. Very basic, very simple. Ooh-wee, this one is a troublemaker. All right, so anyways, there's true or false science exam. The ratio of true to false is 5 to 3. Right? Which is the closest to percentage of true answer on Mr. Jenkins' test? Is it 53%? What did I tell you about matchy-matchy? They trying to get you right there on letter A, like I told you. All right, so anyways. So now what you have to do is think, is it possible for there to be 5 out of 3 that are true? No, but that's what your brain wants to tell you. You need to turn this into a true fraction. This is a ratio. It's not a part to whole because it doesn't make sense. How you have 5 parts if there's only 3 wholes? This is not a part to whole. You need to turn that around. So really there's 5 that are true out of a total of 8. This is the part to whole relationship. How did you get the 8, Miss Umeh? How do you think I got the 8? There's 8 questions total. 5 of them are true, 3 are false. So here's my true fraction. I need to convert this into a percent. Some of y'all might do this. That's 100 right there. Let me change my color so y'all can get that right. Some of y'all might do it like this, cross, multiply, and divide. Or some of y'all might just do top goes in the house. I don't know if anybody learned that. Or some of y'all might do it like that, and you'll get your answer correct. You can also use process of elimination to eliminate one more based on logic if you have any. If not, just do it the way I showed you. Next.